Hello everyone! May party na naman kami ngayon. Today is Merlin's, my friend Dora's graduation from high school. So, we're going to have another party. Party na naman kami. Saturday today, May 25th. So, we started 3 o'clock. Actually, I'm late, so I have to go. Andiyan lang naman sa kanto ko. Okay, so I'll see you there. Stay around. Bye! Okay, anyway, we're going to the party room na. Dito yung mga abubot ko. I have to bring this to the party room. Kaya, it's not that far. You know, it's not that far. Kaya, medyo mainit ngayon. I think it's 80 something. So, hopefully, I brought the electric fan para makatulong sa init. Kasi pag, hey! Maraming tao. Tawag dito. Iinit lang ng masyado. So, where you guys park? Okay, anyway. I'll see you later. Okay, bye. Okay guys, start na tayo ng party. Nakapag-bless na ng food, nakapag-greet na sa celebrant. So, start na tayo. Actually, kain pa lang pero, you know, mga tao talaga dancing. Kaya, ayan, umpisa na ng sayawan. Ayan na yung mga group ko. Talagang pagsayawan, ano na sila, buhay na sila. Kaya, nakakatuwa itong mga tao na to kasi itong mga kaibigan natin dahil talagang they wanted to, you know, have fun. So, anyway, ito lang naman lagi ang routine namin. Happy na kami pag nagda-dance kami, which is, you know, it doesn't matter kung dancer ka or not, basta mag-have fun ka lang, everybody is welcome. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi sa mga friends ko, pagka tugtog na tayo ng music, go ahead, sayawan na lahat para walang sayang na panahon, walang sayang na oras kasi tumatakbo yung oras, tapos yung iba hindi nakasayaw, mamaya nagsisisi na, sana nagsayaw, you know. But anyway, ang hirap naman kasi talagang mag-start kung hindi ka naman sanay. Kaya ako rin naman dati ganyan ako, pero not anymore. Ngayon, malakas na ang loob ko kasi it's our job. Kaya sige na lang, gawin na lang para, you know, mag-have fun. Anyway, wala pang masyadong tao at this time kasi maaga kami nag-start. Actually, we started like 3 o'clock. Pero maaga rin kami natapos, 9 o'clock in the evening. Kasi pag ako nagpa-party, I started 6 o'clock to 12 para alam mo naman yung mga tao, gusto nila madilim na para feeling nila nasa diskuhan sila, diba? So anyway, mahirap din kasi din, especially now, summertime, mainit. Kasi yung ceiling namin is very, yung mababa. Kaya tuloy yung mga body heat namin is very, umiinit talaga yung loob ng room. So, what we're doing is, talagang ako, gusto ko yung cool down na para hindi na kami pawis na pawis. But anyway, siyempre, we keep moving. So, talagang papawisan ka. Kaya itong party room na to actually, mas maganda kung sa winter time. Kasi, like I said, maliit lang naman siya na room, hindi naman kalakihan. Pag marami ng tao, siyempre, yung like I said, mainitan ka. So, anyway, tingnan niyo, kasama ko. Kailangan talagang i-guide mo sila, samahan mo sila, otherwise magsisiupuan yan. Anyway, nag-have fun naman kami. Ito, habang kumakain, chika-chika muna kung ano-ano, tapos kami namang mga takaw na takaw sa sayaw ano na, ang pagkain sa amin, parang ano lang 'yan, kumbaga snack-snack lang 'yan sa'min kasi gusto namin yung nagmo-move. So anyway, ito lang lagi ang lagi naming routine. Kahit na simple lang, we enjoy. Kahit na, minsan sasabihin ng iba, yan at yan ang ginagawa. But at least may ginagawa tayo, diba? Kaysa sa wala. Kasi lalo na kami, talagang tatamad-tamad na kami ngayon, hindi kami magkaroon ng energy. Buti na lang may ganito kaming ginagawa. Ito yung mga profession namin, kahit paano, kahit side job lang. At nag-enjoy at the same time, kumikita naman kahit konti. Kaya okay na rin yan kasi may party ka pa parati aside from my own party. Sa mga taong, they are hiring for DJs kasi mas masaya talaga pag may music, mas buhay ang party, may magagawa yung mga tao, yung mga, lalo na yung mga taong mahilig ganito, mag dancing, kanta-kanta, kasi puro dance yan. Tapos pag, may in between naman kami para makapag-break. So, kantahan naman and everybody is welcome to sing. We have open mic para masaya naman. So, that's what we're doing para variety, at alam niyo naman ang Pilipino, they love to eat, talagang pag party talagang super dami. Katulad ngayon ito, ang daming pagkain ngayon, yung time na yan, sobrang dami talagang pinagandaan yan ng parents. Yun nga lang, super dami ng trabaho, very stressful, pero it's worth it kasi successful naman yung party. At least nagkaroon ng celebration, although yung mga bata hindi naman makapag-enjoy, pero yung parents enjoy. Kaya ito talaga ang Filipino gathering, talagang kami mga magulang na naagaw na eksena sa mga bata. But anyway, yung time naman ng anak ko, she enjoy the moment, she enjoy the party talaga, even their friends, kasi nasanay silang mag-join sa aming mga oldies, sa mga sa mga parents na, sa mga, at saka binibigyan namin lagi sila ng chance to do something, nakapag-participate din sila sa program. So we mix the music, pero itong group na ito, siyempre yung mga bata, hindi naman sila sanay sa amin. Actually, first time ko lang sila nakita yung mga bata na yan. So hindi sila used sa amin. At like my daughter, she grew up with my friends. So, very sila, familiar sa amin, and also her friends, talagang they hang out with us. Talagang very comfortable sila. So, nag-enjoy sila. So, may mga games pa sila para, everybody have fun. But anyway, wala naman tayong magawa kasi hindi naman tayo makialam sa program nila. They just hired us for the music. Kaya, it's up to them kung ano rin yung style nila. Hindi tayo pwede mag-intrude sa mga gusto nilang gawin sa program nila. But anyway, they enjoy naman, although yung mga bata nga lang, they're not used to hang out with us, so hindi ko naman sila masisi, mga bata yan. So syempre, actually yung anak ko, na napilit niya lang naman yung mga friend niya na they hang out with us. So kahit papano, they know us, so very comfortable sila, lalo na yung mga close friend ng anak ko when she was in high school to college. Kilala ko lahat yung mga friend niya. But like I said, in New York, yun lang naman yung hindi kami masyadong nag-gather because of COVID. Kaya nga nakakalungkot si COVID ay dumating sa buhay namin, na stop yung aming mga kung ano man ang ginagawa namin sa, all the time, all the parties. Sana, na-miss namin yung 3 years na, na sana we keep doing this gathering. But anyway, uh, yeah, okay lang. Yun siguro talaga ang mangyayari for our detachment kasi honestly, I cannot imagine na hindi ko makikita ko yung anak ko like parang once a year ko lang siya nakikita during that time. But anyway, it's okay. Ganun talaga yung buhay. Wala naman tayong magawa. So, hopefully, andyan yung anak ko. Nakikita niya kami. Nag-i-enjoy din siya sa mga ginagawa namin. I'm pretty sure she's very happy because since before, she keep telling me na mag-have fun kami ng parents niya, especially yung mga friends namin. Tuwa siya dahil we have a lot of friends. We're able to, enjoy. We hang out. Sayang nga, nakakalungkot lang kasi those are the memories na talagang mamimiss mo because she always, nag-i-effort talaga siya to join with us. Kaya kakalungkot. Anyway, okay, nagkaroon kami ng konting pictorial. That's really my friend. Yan yung mga regular friend ko. This is Sister Kate. Ang ganda ng kanyang cake ko. William and Mary siya graduate. College pala ito. I thought it was high school. Oh my God, nakakahiya ako. Anyway, ang cute ng decoration niya, mga cupcake niya. And it's yummy, honestly. I don't know who made this cake, but actually, it was very good. Maganda yung kanyang presentation because kami kasi minsan ayaw na namin mga ugas-ugasan kaya gusto namin tapo na lahat. Anyway, ito yung couple, that's Romy and Lily, and this is the group ng mga guy, yung mga father. Yan ang grupo nila in the celebrant, that's Mia. Kaya ito yung friend ni Merlin, who is the mother. Yan ang family niya, yan ang nagpa-graduate. Second anak nila yan na nag-graduate ng college. Last year we attend her son's graduation, so sa college din, and this is the next one. So that's Mia, that's the celebrant. Kaya congratulations Mia, and good luck to your next chapter in life. Sana
Katibayan yan. Katibayan.
Ito, ano yung YouTube channel niya?
Katibayan.
Oh, okay. Hello, mga fans.
Say hi.
Hello.
This is the father of the celebrant.
Yes, thank you.
Congratulations.
And thank you for watching. Like and share.
Like and share. Subscribe.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel. Just in case.
Okay, so walang music kaya pwede nating i-turn on yung sound. I mean the real sound talaga kasi. But right now I have to, turn off again the original music. I mean original background. So let's go back to our vlogging. That's Dolores. So yan yung mga kaibigan. So, right now, nag-entertain yung husband ko. He's singing, live music. So, habang kumakain lang naman yung mga tao, di pagbigyan na natin sila, kain-kain. And then, this is my lovely friend. That's Dolores. Siya yung dance buddy namin. Masarap yung ka-dancing kasi talagang she really love to dance. So, ayun, mga group of friends ni Merlin. Kaya masaya naman yung aming naging party, and it was very successful. So, I wish kaya kung pwede natin i-on yung live music, but we can't kasi nag-trouble tayo kay YouTube. But anyway, just na let you know, ito lang ang ginagawa namin pag nagtatrabaho kami. But at least now that I'm doing this vlogging, at least na ilalagay ko dito, meron kaming memory later on. So, kahit wala na kami dito sa mundo, maiiwan ito habang nag-work yung ating technology. So, I am so glad na may ganitong technology like social media. At least meron akong chance to express my feeling. I have a chance to share to you how we survive after I lost my daughter. It's not easy. We have to act normal para sa lahat because that's what we're gonna do. Kaya yung mga taong nagsasacrifice, nagsasuffer because of this itong pinagdadaanan namin, just hang on there. Talagang ganyan ang buhay. We have no choice. Like I said before, just to think about na something gonna happen to my daughter, like the next day hindi na ako hihinga, but look at me now, it's more than 2 years and I'm still breathing. Kaya talagang mahiwaga ang buhay, wala tayong magawa, napakasakit, napakahirap ng pinagdadaanan namin. Like I said, we have to really act normal. This is the father and the celebrant. They are so lucky, and this is the mom. Said they are, they already. I don't know how many kids they have. I think 4 or 5. So meaning naka-graduate na yung dalawa. So there's another one who's going to graduate from high school next year. So they're doing really, great. So ganyan lang naman tayong mga magulang. We have to prepare our kids. That's me. I'm trying to interview her, but the thing is we have a background music, so we cannot turn on the but I told her I just greeted her and wish her best of luck. And this kid is Dolores' daughter. I don't know if they already seen my daughter, but I don't think so, because this kid, I just met them when my daughter was in college. So I think hindi nila nakita yung anak ko. So I hope na nakita nila, para nakita nila before how she mingle with the kid. And she's just like me. She's trying to make the all the bisita na comfortable. She's always there. She always next to me every time may darating na tao, and she always asks me to introduce her to all my friends, to all my bisita. Ganun ang anak ko eh. Pag hindi ko yun na-introduce, nagagalit yun, ma'am. Sasabihin niya sa akin, ma'am, ba't hindi mo ako in-introduce sa friend mo? Kaya I know na bawat mag-accept kami ng mga tao. She's always next to me. She wanna meet all my friend. Kaya nakakatawa. Kaya yung mga group ko na ito, they know my daughter. They know how she become a good person, and she able to hang around with them. Kaya alam nila na ang anak ko ay talagang she's a wonderful kid. That's why masakit sa puso, masakit. Kaya they're always there for us. Lagi silang very sa amin, supported because of my daughter na rin kasi they know how she is. They know how my daughter, to become a responsible kid. So anyway, please wait for my part 2 video because medyo mahaba naman ito syempre. So yung iba nga nilalagay ko na lang sa time-lapse para naman hindi masyadong napuno itong aking video. But the thing is, I love to talk, so it's okay na lang. So hopefully hindi kayo ma-bored sa ginagawa kong content. And anyway, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you sa lahat ng mga subscribers, and please like and share na rin please, and hit the notification para updated kayo po on my videos. And this is Mervin's friend and family. Thank you all guys, and I hope you have fun. So till next again, bye!